Hi there. So you've heard it before. Content is king. And it's true. YouTube's algorithm is smarter than ever, using AI to understand what your videos are about. But here's the question. If your amazing content is buried in a sea of videos, how will your ideal clients ever find it? How will the algorithm know who to recommend it to? That's where keyword research can give you a huge advantage, especially if you're a new or smaller YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use keyword research to boost your videos' visibility, attract your ideal coaching client, and unlock more views on YouTube, even if you're just getting started. YouTube's algorithm is always changing, but one thing remains constant. It wants to keep viewers on the platform for as long as possible. That means prioritizing videos that are engaging, relevant, and satisfying to watch. So, yes, creating amazing content is essential. But how do you get those initial views so that the algorithm can recognize your brilliance? That's where keyword research come in. Think of it as a bridge between creating great content and being seen by the right people. It's like a treasure map leading you to gold. Your ideal clients looking for and actively searching for solutions on YouTube. It's especially powerful for new channels looking to gain traction. Paul Murphy, the creator of Affiliate Tube Success, ATS, is a master of YouTube SEO, and he's generated loads of affiliate income by ranking his videos on the first page of Google and YouTube. Paul's success proves that even with smaller channels, you can leverage the power of keyword research to attract targeted traffic and build a profitable online business. Now, you might be feeling overwhelmed and confused by keyword research. It can seem daunting, I know. But trust me, it's easier than you think, and we're going to break it down step by step. First, let's demystify some key terms. YouTube keyword research. It can be defined as finding words and phrases users enter into the YouTube search bar to find videos they want to watch. Next, seed, or also known as short tail keywords. It's those short phrases that describe a topic broadly, and it's also the starting point for our keyword research. An example would be if we use a keto coach, would be keto diet. Next, target keyword, also known as main or primary keywords. This is the specific phrase you want to rank for. An example would be keto meal plan for beginners. Next, secondary keyword. These are related phrases that support your main keyword. An example would be keto friendly recipes or low carb snacks. Long tail keyword. These are longer, more specific phrases that target a niche audience or a particular topic. An example would be keto meal plan for menopausal women with thyroid issues. These keywords have lower search volume but often high conversion rates because they're so targeted. Search volume. This refers to the number of searches that are expected for a keyword within a certain period. All right, so let's imagine we have a keto coach who's trying to come up with new video topics for their YouTube channel. They're not sure what people are searching for and they're feeling a bit stuck. Does that sound familiar? Here's how they can use keyword research to get unstuck in 3 simple steps. Step 1, topic ideation. We can use AI, for example, ChatGPT, to help with this step. We will need some ideas. So let's ask ChatGPT, generate a list of 15 common questions women over 40, if that's your target audience, who are beginners to the keto diet, typically have. And then ChatGPT comes up with 15 questions. This will give you an idea of what people are typically looking for, what problems or what questions they have with regards to keto diet. We can also ask ChatGPT to give you a few seed keywords from this list that we can go and research. We can actually copy these and input and enter it into a Google Sheet. I've done so already or started to do so. These seed keywords will give us a good sense of what our keto coach's ideal clients are looking for, what they are interested in. Step number 2, use keyword research tools like vidIQ and Keywords Everywhere to help with the research process. Now, let's head over to YouTube and see what people are actually searching for, using these seed keywords as our starting point. We'll start with Keywords Everywhere, a handy browser extension that reveals search volume data right inside the YouTube search bar. It's incredibly helpful for validating your ideas and finding long tail keywords as well. Keywords Everywhere also has a free version, but the paid version is really super affordable. Right, so let's type in one of these keywords: keto diet meal plan space. And here we can see, for example, keto diet meal plan free, search volume. We can see here a handy chart. In July 2023, it had a search volume of 9,900. June 2024, it's 3,600. So it looks like it came down, but it stayed relatively consistent. We can look at this keyword, keto diet meal prep. All right, so if you enter this specific keyword, Keywords Everywhere will give you some insights. You'll find some valuable metrics over here. For example, the ranking difficulty, which is 48 out of 100. The closer it is to 100, the more difficult it is to rank for that specific keyword. So 48 is fair. I would recommend that you look for a difficulty of less than 50. All right, you can see maximum views, average views. You can see the top channel, which is mined over Munch for the specific keyword. You can actually get a detailed breakdown over here as well. If you look below here, you will see YouTube trend data for the specific keyword. You can go in there and see what the trend is. And then you can also find most used tags over here, what the tags are for the specific keyword. All right, some handy metrics over there. Next, we're going to have a look at vidIQ, another very useful keyword research tool. It also has a free version, but the paid version is quite affordable and will give you a lot of features as well as a lot of data to work with. VidIQ helps you to analyze the competition, see related keywords, and help you choose the perfect phrases to optimize your videos. So let's have a look over here at the keyword section. We can come over here and enter some of the promising keywords we've discovered with Keywords Everywhere. All right, so we see a score of 43. Search volume is medium and the competition is high. So this would not be a good keyword to, to actually pursue. You can also take a look at related keywords and look if there are any promising ones over there. Matching terms, can sort this, and then questions as well. All right, keto is quite popular, so you might need to spend some time to search for the right keyword that have a balance here. With regards to search volume, that's high to medium, and competition, that's low or medium. To explain, vidIQ gives each keyword a score out of 100. So you can think of it as how healthy that keyword is for your video on YouTube. Preferably, the keyword should be in the green area. That means 60 or up. A higher score means there's more potential to get views and rank well because there's less competition. There are a few important things to note with regards to the score. Scores are relative. What's considered a good score can vary depending on your particular niche. Sometimes a score of 60 or 70 are excellent, but at other times you need to aim for 80 or higher. The important thing is to find a balance between search volume and competition. Second thing to note is that content is still king. Remember, the score is just one factor. You always want to create high quality content that provides value to your viewers. The score is just a guide to help you choose topics that are more likely to be seen. Another important point to note is that you need to experiment and analyze. The best way to find the right keywords for your channel and specific videos is to experiment. You can use keyword research tools to analyze different topics and track your results. See which of your videos are performing well and adjust your strategy based on what works. And now, step 3. After analyzing all the data, our keto coach can now choose a topic that ticks all the boxes: relevance, search volume, manageable competition, and value. Remember, your goal is to find keywords that strike a balance between relevancy and popularity, just like the YouTube algorithm does. Choose topics that are popular enough to get searches, but that are not so competitive that your videos will get lost. Now it's your turn. Try this process for your own coaching niche. Let me know what tools or strategies you use for keyword research. Or if you have any questions or insights that you would like to share, you are welcome to do so in the comments below. Okay, so you've got your winning topic and keywords. Now it's time to make sure those videos get seen. To get even more views, we need to optimize your thumbnails and titles, amongst others. We'll cover all of that in the next video. Make sure you've subscribed and that you've hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of it. See you in the next one. Bye bye.